This is proof that I earned $35 in just one day by using this brand new website. This website pays you between 20 cents and 40 cents for every YouTube video you like. Imagine if you just liked 100 videos, you could easily earn over $40. What's even better is that this website is working worldwide and has no earning limit, so you can earn as much as you want from comfort of your home. The first step is to open this website called admefast.com. This is how it gonna looks. AdmeFast is a social media engagement exchange platform that allows us to like YouTube videos and earn points. These points can then be converted into real-life money. It is a completely free platform. You can get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, Payeer, and even cryptocurrency. Now, to start earning from this website, all you need is a YouTube account. You can still use it even if you have 0 subscribers and 0 videos on your channel. Or you can create a new YouTube account to specially use on this website. Before I tell you how to earn points and convert them to real-life money, we first need to create an account on this website. Click where it says try for free now. Then enter your email, password, check I'm not a robot, and hit the sign up button. After this, check your email. You will receive an email like this. Simply click on click here to confirm, and then log into your account. This is how the dashboard is going to look. Now I know all of this looks complicated, but you don't need to worry. Just follow what I'm doing, and you can start making money right now. But make sure to pay close attention because this is important. As I said before, what you're going to do is basically collect points by engaging with other social media accounts. For example, you can follow someone on Facebook, like someone's Facebook post, follow someone on Twitch or Instagram, etc. If you do any of these, you will receive points for every task, and then you can turn them into real-life cash. I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw from this website, so make sure you keep watching until the end. As for today's topic, we are not going to use Instagram or Facebook. Instead, we'll focus on YouTube. But of course, you can use them if you want. According to me, YouTube is the easiest and most profitable option. Let's click on this option, and it will take you to this page where you can start earning points. As you can see, it says you will get 4 points for liking a video. To start earning money by liking videos, you can click where it says like, and it will show you a YouTube video in a new tab. Now go ahead and like this video. You don't even have to watch it. After liking the video, just go back and click on the confirm button. As you can see, I just got 4 points added to my account for liking that video. It's as simple as that. What's even better is that you can like as many videos as you want, because there's no limit to it. By the way, this website works worldwide and supports all devices such as computers and phones. But remember that consistency is key. If you spend just a couple of minutes every day liking YouTube videos on AdmeFast, you will earn a decent income each month. If you are still watching this video, let me know which country you are watching from in the comments section so I can make special videos for you. Now let's move to the withdraw process, which is most important step of this video. Click where it says add site or link, and it will take us to this page. Here, what we are going to do is convert our collected points into Instagram followers. As we know, AdmeFast is a social media exchange platform where you can also exchange your points for likes, views, and followers on various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You can choose whichever you want, but for today's video, I'm going to turn my points into Instagram followers, and I will show you how to earn money with that. So, first, select Instagram followers from the drop-down, and then select worldwide here. Type your Instagram username. I would recommend that you create a new Instagram account for this that you've never used before. Enter your username here, and you can leave these 2 options off. After you've filled out all the details, just click Save Changes. Now you will get a certain number of followers depending on how many points you have. Let's move to the final step, which is the most crucial part of this video. I will show you how to earn money with this. So we are going to use this website called playerup.com. PlayerUp is a social media marketplace where you can buy and sell social media accounts. As you can see, you can sell your Twitter accounts, YouTube accounts, Instagram accounts, and many more. Now, you already know that we are going to sell our Instagram accounts that we grew with the help of AdmeFast, but make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to show you some tricks that I use on AdmeFast to easily earn 10,000 points per day. There are lots of websites that allow you to sell your Instagram accounts, but PlayerUp is the best of them because you can sell your accounts for very good prices. What you have to do is click where it says Instagram accounts buy and sell, and it will show you this page. Now click where it says Instagram accounts for sale. As you can see here, this person wants to sell an account with 17,000 followers for $30. This one wants to sell an account with 8,000 followers for $25. This one with 1,000 followers for $5, and many more. There are hundreds and thousands of people doing the same. So now, let me tell you how to list your accounts. First, just scroll up on the page and click here. login or sign up. It will open this page. Just type your email address here, click no, and lastly, click sign up. After this, verify your account. Once you do that, you can start listing your accounts like all of these other people and start making money. Congratulations on learning how to earn money by liking YouTube videos. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in earning even more money, I've got another video for you. Watch this next video where I show you how to earn $1,750 monthly by watching TikTok videos.